JosephDary love show. Will they find love in Zimbali? Season 2. We back for another season, chat. Episode 1. Let's see what Joseph has for us, chat. It hasn't been a good day. It's been a long day for me today, so hope this.
Yeah.
The man's moving cinematic now. Crazy.
So we live in the car here at the airport. We're about to hop on our trip to Devon. Yeah, man, I'm stressed as you guys can see the stress on me, right? Yeah, to allow this step, important.
Oh, now it's showing us from this time it's showing us him moving from Josie to. This time it's showing us him moving from Josie to Zimbali.
Yeah, should be my manager musically. No, the other show is usually doing the most, and then we're on the second one right now, off to Devon. You know what it is.
Your attention please. This is the final call for version of scheduled passengers on flight number.
So the reason we didn't want to drive, we didn't have money for petrol and money for the.
This nigga spends so much money on this show, chat. Cause like he has to get an Airbnb. He has to get an Airbnb for them, get food, then condoms. That's what he has to.
For the shocks.
Well, do make yourselves comfortable. It's our very great pleasure having you on board tonight. I wish you a safe, comfortable and enjoyable journey.
Yeah, man, we just arrived in Devon. Let's see what's popping. Let's see what the Devon has for us, and let's see if people in Devon are gonna find love. You know what it is. Let's get them, bro.
Oh, what a beautiful place! Damn, bro, the screen is dirty as fuck. Damn, this place is. Damn.
My name is JosephDary. You all know I'm the man who gets money in the bank and put it in the bank. Yeah, it's money in the bank because I'm the guy who takes money from the bank. I'm the guy who's emptying the bank. That's why I have money in the bank. 25,000 on the block, putting it down for the couple that's loyal. And
last season it was 20,000. This season is now let's ebb it 1B. Let's do 20,000.
It's the love Dari love. Yeah, it's the show that JosephDary did for people that got cheated on. It's the show that JosephDary did for the people that got cheated on his channel. Don't be out there on the we've seen this person on your page. Yes, because you saw them, they got cheated there. I'm trying to find them love. What the fuck is your brain thinking? Literally, this is, I don't have a structure, right? I don't know if it's season 2 or part 2 or volume 2, anything, or CD number 7 or CD number 2, but we're on something like 2. We're in Zimbali right now. We're doing what we call JosephDary Live Show. First one did very great. The second one, we're expecting you guys to be at the highest moment. Like, show the people that why you guys wanna choose this man and make him the GOAT. Embarrass the social media awards, cause why didn't they choose this nigga? Cause he's literally the handman stand up of this entertainment. People
I don't know I don't know what he said half of the time, but I agree with him. I agree with him.
Bro, money in the bank, money to be cash, 25,000 on the table. We had to increase it. The next one is 30,000. From that, we're gonna finish at 50,000. We're never gonna go to 100. But if we were to go to 100, Netflix, see us on something, give us something, we'll take it to 100.
Now the first game is simple. Two singles sit down for a short get to know each other date with a bell between them. If the vibe is off, sharp, tap the bell and the next person comes in. We keep it moving until two singles don't ring the bell at all and decide to stay as the match for the rest of the show. This time though, the singles will be blindfolded just to make sure we have more genuine connections. Let the games begin.
Is it really that hard, bro? She can't see your chest. She can't see your chest, though it's not that hard.
Ngopaka my sister omzolo futhi at the same time kodwa ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi akuthina sonke amazulu esenza ngendlela efanayo ngicatha ukuthi sinane that chance or that opportunity ukuthi sazana mhlambe khona singakuzama.
Yeah, umzulu again. Oh God.
But then ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi sinikane isikhathi kona ukuzwenza ukuthi mhlambe sazane kangcono mhlambe kukhona mhlambe amaphutha alona omunye mfowethu engawalungisa or kanjani.
So you guys have literally 2 minutes to speak, to touch, to do everything that you can do in that 2 minutes. But I'm not like you guys have to like know each other for 2 minutes. I'm gonna keep quiet for 2 minutes.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. Because the first season, this nigga, it's like he was forcing them. Right now, let's let them talk. If there's genuine connection.
Cool. Let me go first, my sister. Okay. Yes. Ngokuhlala ngihlala eMayville ngisuka le eMayville ngidabwa kamaphumulo la ngisuka khona so ngokuphila ngomuntu ohlanganisayo so ngithanda umuntu esifazane nje ukuthi usikhuleke.
So first thing we know he lives in Mayville, he's unemployed. Those we know. He said umuntu panda, which means he's unemployed, but there's nothing wrong when at least uyapanda.
Usikhulekele and uyakuthanda futhi ukuphila. No ithandayo ke isikhathi esiningi nohloniphayo. That's it.
Okay, you mentioned also uhlala eMayville. I'll show if I could ask actually, uyasebenza, are you working?
Yeah.
Where?
Ngokusebenza.
If you don't mind actually.
Yeah, like ngisebenza isiteyezo kwamanje like.
Okay.
Oh, when he said uyapanda, I thought he was unemployed, but at least stairs is something, Chad. Life chat will show you things, bruv. Life will show you crazy things. At least if it can pay the bills and everything, that's good.
Umzulu, isibongo sakho?
KwaMthembu mina isibongo.
Mthembu, Jehovah. Hey, ndoda yomzulu. Kodwa ke I'm completely healed now. I'm ready for a relationship. So wena ke ndoda yomzulu, yini ongayenza ngcono?
Mhlambe engingakwenza ngcono mina kuzwa ngokuthi umama yena uyanginika lento engidingayo as a man because nami sithi ngila ngithi ngifuna yena umuntu ukuthi uzoba lento engifisa ukuthi abe yona. But mhlambe mawungekona uzongicomparison ngiqhathanise nalomuntu ukuthi benenkinga naye just because umzulu nami ngumzulu sisokwenza into efanayo.
So you know idingayo.
Into engidingayo umuntu esifazana umuntu consistent obekezela ongaqhathanisa ama relationships abangani bakhe noma kwabona kuma social media then sifuna ukuthi mina ngenze lokho because I won't be able to do so.
Can I have your hand?
Where you are. All right. Cool.
It's so cold.
It's because ngisingile kube kuthuba ukhona all along.
It's true, Chad. You see what he said? He's what I love about this nigga already is like he's telling her the rules, Chad. I'm not saying there has to be rules. Like he's saying, if you see people showing off on social media, don't think I'm gonna do that because I'm not those niggas. I'm not those niggas. If you want those niggas, we can go to them. But me, I'm working at stairs in Yapanda in God's grace, and yeah, man.
Mhlawumbe beziyashisa and ngiyazizwa ziyashisa maybe ke ikhamba nesikhathi like khuleka. Okay. You can even go fighter. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Wow.
Uyajima. Amadoda ajima ayafeba, ejimini ababhiza amantombazana lapha nezingqawo kodwa.
Kanti abafana ke you guys used to say abafana bafana but wenza kwabakufana into efana akusi. Kodwa mhlawumbe ikhamba nesikhathi zokubona ukuyiqinisa lokho noma akusilo.
Okay, so mina ke shame ngithanda izinto, right? Ngithanda izinto.
She hasn't even introduced herself. What's your name? Where do you stay? Do you even have a job? Why do you want to know if he has a job if you won't tell me if you make money also? Like, why are there so much double standards in this economy? Like, you know cupcakes. and he's all crazy prizes.
Oh, so njengendoda yami, you must make.
Yeah. Time is pelele. I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
So as I said, njengendoda yami, you must make sure that you take care of me. You maintain what you see, okay? So when will you be able to do that?
Hayi ngeke angiboni ukuthi ngizophumelela ukwenza lokho because njengomuntu oyiveza manje umuntu oziveza futhi uthi uthanda izinto oqala lokho noma bekuthiwa mhlawumbe kaphambana nami noma ukuphambana but then sukuveza ukuthi umuntu uthanda kakhulu izinto nobumnandi sekufanele ngibe i-time akuwena ngenze
I didn't say ubumnandi, ngithe umuntu othanda izinto. You must maintain this look.
Are you crazy? What do you see? What do you mean I must maintain this look? It's your body. You maintain your look. You the one who has to, nigga. She's trying to say this nigga must buy her toiletry bags, toiletries, and all of that shit. Nigga, I'm not your dad, brother. I'm not your dad. You can go ask someone else, not your. This nigga document. She's a red flag. She's a red flag in my eyes.
So since we didn't pass, which means akekho sabona wrong ngomoya, but then I don't know myself.
Yeah, and also you're allowed to buzz. You guys didn't buzz in time, so can you guys be the couple of the house?
I don't think that could be a problem, but then my sister.
Okay, take it. You guys will find a way out of this picture. Touch him, my sister, take this man, or take with you guys leave here, because I want the other couple.
Where is the
You guys have to make, you don't see each other. When you get there, you separate. One goes to left, one goes right. The team will help you.
Can I have a hug?
A hug.
Yeah. You move back.
Nasty.
Back.
You're short.
Sorry? Again back.
No.
Wait, please don't.
Left. Yeah, left.
Here is my left.
Yes. Go left. Go straight. Ungachi.
Okay. I
Straight.
don't trust you.
No.
Yeah, my brother, leave her now. Move to your right. Uyangale on the other side. Yes. Go straight. Yeah, sorry. Hey, team, please help them. Hey. Hey, I'm sorry. The next couple. Guess number two. Oh, my sister, don't move like me. Yeah, you go in this. You go in here. There's a chair here.
What the fuck is happening this season? So much oomph, so much pasta oomph.
Yeah. They call me a barbarian because I say a lot of bars unprovoked, like just now. When you say a word, a bar is a bar. And we're about to play a game, guys. We call it a blind date, right? You guys are literally on a blind date right now. The person in front of you is an opposite gender.
So you remove her?
No, you don't remove the blindfold. You speak to this man. Yes, blindfolded. Yeah. Ningathanchana ngezandla. Raise your hands. Ngathi nasabana kanje le kandawo. 2 minutes starts now.
Oh, okay. Ngicela ukusuka khona ngizomuza mama.
What are you doing? What is this guy doing?
What is this guy doing? This nigga shooting from the halfway line already. Why is bro shooting from the halfway line? There's still some time, bro.
Kafila.
Ufila.
Oh mama nje.
Body shape.
Yeah.
Structure.
Yeah, so.
Umile. Yena sele fans. Kumgadi. Oh, this nigga.
This nigga, the first thing he wants to know is how she is shaped. Nigga doesn't even know the name. Niggas is horny, niggas are nasty, bro. Niggas is nasty.
Kusho ngala ncane. 360.
Bro, you can't see. What do you mean? 360. Your chance. You can't see.
How are you gonna see the 360? Oh, you gonna oh. Hey. Heaven is what you pray for.
Ngiyaphila ma.
Yaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila.
Nah, this nigga has to be stopped now. Nah, dog. Nah, this nigga has to be stopped now. Ah, bro.
God. Bayibhuti igama.
Hayi igama nguzisanda wakwaHadebe. Ubhungane kansele umakhulukhulu. Umama yena uba.
Nomfundo wakade ubena.
Oh, ujabula ukwazi mama.
You can't see her. Why you look like you can see her, bro? 2 minutes now. So you guys you don't wanna, you don't unfold. You guys don't wanna pass. You guys wanna try to do something, be the couple of the house.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What the fuck is this? Love at first sight. It's not even first sight. It's a love at first blind. Literally. These niggas have blindfolds.
Oh. Okay, sharp. You guys leave. When you leave, you go, when you go straight. My sister, they turn around, you go back straight. I'm going to chase my camera because it's solo. Left, go to your left. Move to your left. Both of you to your left. To your left. Go straight, my sister. Go straight. Don't, exceeded. Go straight. Go straight. My brother, you go straight. Hambaba. Yeah, you go to the, up. You go to the right. My guy, you go to the right. My sister, you go to the left. Yes. Yeah. You guys, yeah, the crew.
Joseph, call niggas to help her out. Like, what? This nigga has a crew at the back doing the camera, what? One nigga can just help them out, dog. Because these people are...
Help you, yes. You go straight. Go straight, yes. Ungenile, you are inside. Okay, thank you. Oh, that was good. Healthy and organic.
That's
They
what
don't
we
even
want.
know each other.
They don't even know each other's names, shit. They don't know the name, what they do for a living and all
His
that.
name, they were just touching. When you say people touch, we don't say like touch her eyes. Next couple, how are you guys doing? Are you guys alive? You guys look dead, man. Oh, because you guys can see you are in the dark. Yeah, it's good to stay in the dark so that at least when you see light, maybe you see something you like. I just said I'm a barbarian. 2 rhymes in 1 line. Another line that rhymes with a line.
Ngiyaphila mase.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Lokhuluma noNhlakala.
Ukhuluma noNobuhle wakamthetho Sibongo.
Awuzwakali?
Ukhuluma noNobuhle wakamthetho Sibongo.
Oh, awunobuhle. Ngiyathemba ukuthi lobuhle kukuwena okhuluma ngakho.
Angeke ngikuphikise.
So. No mfethu yazi ivoice yakho ndisivele yangichaza ngingakubona ukubona.
Ngempela?
Ukhulumela mnandi yazi.
Kuyangijabulisa ukuzwa lokho. Asithembe futhi uzongithanda.
Yeah.
Njengevoice yami.
Yeah, abo njengoba sengichazwe yona. Awuvele sengivele ngakuthanda nje kwawena nawe.
Since kuthiwe we are allowed to touch and hug.
Yeah, ngangithinta ngenza noma yini khulule.
Okay,
Ngiyasondela
I'm trying to reach out.
Bayareyitha ndoda bazogcina bakubamba amasiko.
No, ayenze khulula kwazongithinta. Yeah, uzawu 6 pack lo thinta.
No.
Oh, man, say that's the thing. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Get off this shit, nigga. Get off this shit. That ain't no 6 pack, bro. Who you fooling? Damn, niggas are funny. Yo, niggas are funny. Niggas are funny.
I'm fooling.
No.
Okay. Stand up, Baba. Leave.
What is it?
Leave. Just stand up. Go to your right. Move to your right. Go to your left.
Damn, chat, all that race for nothing.
Go to your left. Go straight. No, yo. Left. Straight tip. Help him. So why?
I don't think over team.
Are you looking for six-pack guys like us?
Angazi ngathenik.
If it's not there, it's internal. My six-pack is just sitting opposite.
Oh.
I have it.
Wow.
Tell her that's still. Yeah.
There's niggas taking a fucking piss, Joseph. There's niggas. She just said she don't want them huge ones.
Literally, I'm allergic to men. I'm an allergic person. Can we start
Nah, this is interesting.
now?
Nkosazana njani?
Awubona njani?
Ngiyaziphilela nami ulinda ukuthi insizwa kumapholoba le ngabe uba inkosazana.
Khuluma nonobuhlo kamthetho. Ngiyajabula ukwazi mapholoba.
Kujabula mina ngisacela ukuye ngazi ngawe nje nkosazana ukuthi inkosazana yoba yithandana.
Unobuhlo igama nje kade sengishilo.
Yeah.
I like to do outdoors activities a lot. I like to socialize with people.
Thank you, Mom.
I like to read. I'm just a cool person. Ophila ngaphansi komthetho.
How are you, Gavin?
Yeah. What you see is what you get. Okwamanje awukangiboni. Hopefully masongibona uzokuthanda uzokubona.
Uthanda insizwe kanjani njengomtshela wena?
I like a man
And a six-pack.
on a six-pack, yes. I like...
It's over, bro, Chacho.
One of my goals.
Yeah.
I like a loving, caring man. Ngiyayithanda protection.
Manje ubucabanga empilweni uzokuthola konke lokho nje ukuthi na uthola umuntu onayo yonke leyo nto leyo.
I'm not looking for perfect, but close to perfect.
He's not close to perfect. Bro, Chacho, you are not close to perfect. Let's be honest. She said she wants a six-pack. Bro doesn't even have a two-pack.
Ufuna ukwazi nje ngamapholoba.
Ngiyafisa ukwazi okuningi ngawe. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ungichazele ngawe.
Njengoba mina ngilapha ngidinga umuntu engizokwazi ukuthi ngibambisane naye, sihloniphane, futhi ngikwazi ukuthi ngimenzele konke akufisayo. Angazi ukuthi inkosazana ngabe uyena lowo muntu loyo.
Ngiyakuzwa ngalokho okushoyo. Izo zonke izinto oyidinga kumuntu wesifazane, right? If I can ask you a question, umuntu onjani? What do you like? Ama dislikes wakho.
Okay. Ngiqalela into ngingumuntu omhloniphayo umvile eqala okusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyamhlonipha. Nginothando, ngiyakuthanda futhi ukudlala nje kujatshulwe. Enye into futhi ngiyathanda ukuthi ngibambisane nomndeni wami. Ngithanda nje ukujabula nje. Into engihambisa phambili injabulo nemfudumalo yothando. Lunye.
I can work with that.
Are you sure, my sister? Niggas really don't tell you the whole picture, chat. Niggas don't really tell you the whole picture.
Iphelile 2 minutes?
Isikhathi sesiphelile. You guys are the couple of the house. Seningahaka manje nishiye kahle because 2 minutes iphelile niloko nikhuluma la.
Okay.
Yeah. So ningahaka nima lapho uyahaka awukhumula mask bese niyahamba. Man hamba ngizon director, you listen to my mouth and then you use your left hand ear because I'm gonna say left and right.
This nigga's mic is on the floor, chat. This nigga's mic.
Hey, why ngathi niyasabana?
Is he happy six-pack? Okay.
So now you want the six-pack, you don't want the six-pack.
Ngoba sechazile ukuthi ayidingakalile kangaka i-six-pack sesobona phambili.
Hey, yeah, left. Move to your left. That's your right, my man. Can't do it. Yeah. Una di mic dilekele etsi. Ore bo mapholo wa mon. Wa perilo jama Nigeria ba re ke mapholo.
Bro is Zolan wearing some Niger shit.
Can't do it.
All love to Africa.
Come on. Don't forget to like, oh no. Next couple, bye. Try madam fan. Yeah, this is the chick.
No, them niggas are moving mad this season. All of them.
This one.
Yeah.
How?
Touch it, feel it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Use your senses. Welcome to my bar blind dates, right? And the time starts right now.
Ayiqale nkosazana. Ngizwe ngathi ukhuluma kamnandi kakhulu. Ngifuna ukudedela yena aqala ngimosha.
Uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila wema konjani?
Ngi-right indaba sabukhuluma?
Akukona ukuthi ngiyasaba ukukhuluma yazwe mama phela kufanele ngibe yisoka lana ngingavele nje ngidlubulundele ngikudlela isikhala. Fanele ngidedele wena aqala. Undlala inkundla bese ngiyangenelela ke nami.
All right, ngikhuluma noba?
Khuluma noSpesihle lana kaMsimango.
Okay.
Khuluma noba?
Usne.
Usne. Alikho igama elinjalo nkosakazi.
Sinenhlanhla Mkhize baba.
Sinenhlanhla Mkhize nakho ke ngiyakuzwa ke manje.
Uphumaphi?
Mina ngiqhamuka eMlazi, elokushini nje straight.
Abantu basemlazi babambana inkunzi njalo.
Wayekutshela imbodana. Wayekutshela imbodana loyo. Mana ngicela ulule izandla zakho yazi ngithi ukufila kancane. Angikwazi phela ukukhuluma hey undofo kamnandi. Nezinga lakho lokushisa futhi kuyalizwa ukuthi hayi.
Ngiyashisa baba stop 66 ngiyadlala.
Hayi asikho 60 leso 616.
Okay.
Mana ke mama. Mana ke ngicela usondele kancane eduze. Kumele ngiyizwe phela umuntu ongikhuluma naye. Ngithi ukufila.
We hayi ke. Awube i-gentleman wagijima.
Yona lengizwa angithi phela fanele nakho.
Twice.
Butwami.
Angithi phela fanele kube ngathi ngiyakubona uyayizwa leyo nto leyo.
I think I had enough mina ungibamba wakho.
Yini enough manje yini leyo?
Hayi. Kanti awuncwadanga
mana hayi khohla lokho nto nkosazana. Awuthi phela ubamba ilamza kancane.
Awakabani lona. Hayi, asamfuna eMlazi. We don't want this nigga to Mlazi chat. Asazi ukuthi ubuya yaphi lo? Alo asazi ubuya yaphi. Saxolela amza. Nasty.
No, ngiyabonga. Hi.
What the fuck is wrong with this nigga? He's the crazy one. This nigga's too freaky, chat. They're talking about ngabuza.
Sit down, my brother. Sister, that means he said he doesn't want you in the show right now. Leave.
Why?
Leave.
Okay.
You don't ask why. How can you? Move left.
Project, you don't deserve a lamza.
Left. That's right. You're going to the left. Go back. That's not back, that's forward.
Nah, this nigga's not from Umlazi, chat. He has to go, chat. Nigga talking about, niggas are jeans. Is this how it is? Jeans.
Go forward. Yeah, team, help her.
Lo muntu usalana lo muntu ungishaya ngebhande lelamza
hamba.
Lo muntu ungqaba nelamza wena bafo. Suka.
So wena ufuna ilamza.
Mele
You
ngishayela.
don't even know the person ufuna ukumncabuza. This nigga's not.
Lamza bafo ngizwe ukuthi ngihamba naye ngempela uyabona. Ngiyezwa bona ukuthi ayena ukhona uyabona umphako ukhona ukudla kukhona yonke into ihlelekile.
Uthe ugodo wathithi ngikunika isibungu.
Angithi uyabona
BBL.
Manje uyabona ngathi
mara ufuna ukumlamza.
Kumele ngimlamse bafo.
Ulethe lo muntu. No, uzohlala la. Yeah, but mele uye ngaphambili kanje. Yes, opposite. Uyahlala. I'm literally anti-manitic. If you don't know that word, that means I don't like men. I'm a woman to man. Hi guys.
Hi.
Ninjani. Okay, sharp. He just rejected another lady. Ngicela ukuthi niqale 2 minutes enu iqala manje.
Ake ngiyidilapha. Nkosazana kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Yazi ukhuluma kamnandi ngathi ngiyakubona manje ubani igama.
Igama small.
Buka nje ngikitaza ngingakasho lutho mana small.
Yes.
Small nje liphelela lapho wakabana small.
Wakadlamini Sibongo.
Small Dlamini. Lelo gama igama la ngampela nje elithe.
Leke ID nje.
Small. Hayi.
Yini le encane wemama ngiyathemba ukuthi njengoba usmall nje kuncane inzondo kuningi uthando. Last born.
Small girl in fact.
Oh, number 1. Kuhleke ngicela usondile kancane mama angazi ulule isandla.
Oh, all right.
Nakho awuzweke.
Again. Not again. Oh, this nigga.
Kamduze phela hayi angishoke khululeka angishoke.
Mana ke phela mina ngibona.
Nami ngiboni. Ngizwa ngathi ngiyakubona kodwa.
Okay.
Awuzweke. Kamduze phela
angishoke. Igama wena ubani?
Siphesihle nakho ngijabulela nakho nje ukuthi uyafuna na ukuthi ungazi uyabona.
Oh, all right.
Shuthi khona la esingaya khona. Awuzweke. Ngiyakuzwa. Hayi uyintombi ekhethela impela ngiyakuzwa ukuthi hayi ukhona.
Oh no, she in love. She look at that. Oh no.
Ukhona. Mana awuthi ngokumanqaza kancane ngelanza. Kamduze. Wenzani?
The fuck is
that? Ngathi udla umoba.
Awubathi kahle
ngathi udla.
What's Lumoba? Now this nigga's not real, chat. This nigga is not real.
Lumoba ngeke. Sihlalo sami ngihlale phansi ngeke phela.
Angikubona ukubona nje uqala phela mhlambe.
You are not allowed to take off the blindfold.
Oh.
How does he want to kiss? You can't even see the person. Like this nigga guy.
Ngimbone at least. Angimboni.
Ngathi udla umoba lo muntu lona ngiyabona uzongiqeda nje straight manje.
Suka.
Ngiyamfuna.
Ayangifuni ngeke Joseph mfethu. Naye lo mbonisa umnyango ngikhiphe ngomnyango naye la qhamuka khona ngifuna omunye ngeke.
Siyazungosha isikhathi.
Now
baphelile mara my sister leave you guys leave kodwa niphelile akusana mathando. Akusana mo.
Kanjani?
Baphelile abanye abafazi bathathiwe.
Uzomthola phi komunye?
Sizomthola omunye icebo lizozakha mina ngivuleki.
Lizozakha kanjani icebo?
Ungawabaza amandla.
Phela niphelile like sicedile you guys should leave like. Ushayile ibhela ngisho ndoda.
Kunjalo nje. Shona ngako mina mase ngishilo nje. Ngathi nje cha, ngithi cha.
And she literally kisses nicely. I've had her kiss before. Some of them with the ladies, but yeah, but I guess it was when I was a man with no honor. Now I'm a man with honor. They call me Buddha. Yeah, you guys, your 2 minutes starts now. These are rejects.
Ngiyaphila mfethu.
Hawu, ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Ngindaba khulumela phansi pha.
Sorry. Hey.
Ngakwazi ukuthinta?
Yeah. Hawu, check my pulse.
Hayibo. Bro's reaching for the stars. Why is bro reaching for the stars?
Yena ngempela ke lo bini bengimlindile. Ngiyakuzwa mangizibele lakho la.
Hayibo wena.
Igama uba konje?
Musne wena?
Nokho.
Nah, there are so many freaks in this bitch. Joseph, where did you get this guy, Joseph? We have so many freaks.
Kuma nonhlakaphi thoka ngibe.
Alright la, uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Amakhaya kephi? Sokaphi?
Suke eMandeni ngicabanga wena.
Hawu. So esikhawini.
Oh wow, ngengizwe ngalo ndawo but angiyazi kodwa sengizoyazi ngoba sekukhona wena.
Hayi, sequthukela nje sokwawuthi ukhuleke.
Hawu, shuthi uqale ngishiye mina lena mase yadlula ke wena yakini. Yangijabulisa ukuthi ngihlala umuntu engimazi which means kukhulu kakhulu isisazo kwazana ngakho soba
I hope so. Wazwa nezwe lihle. Laze lazothi izilakho.
Yeah, izwe lendoda phela kumele lizothi yabo. Umfazi kumele ukhuluma kakhulu ayindoda.
Hayi bo qonda ukuthini ngabantu besifazane?
No, uyena vele nje owaniwe ukuthi ekhuluma kakhulu indoda kumele ikhulume into straight.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ke.
Yeah. But-ke yazi ubukeka angazi uma ngithinta nje umzimba wakho.
Damn, bro, lost the topic. Man said, Ubogega, nigga, you can't see her. It happens, chat. When you lose a topic, what they made, it's like, damn, what do I say now?
Yeah, 2 minutes is try. I just made it look like you guys. It doesn't look like you guys are gonna. Yeah, you guys can leave. You guys the couple of the show. But you know when you're dealing with rejects, you just want to get them rid of them. Yeah, you guys are the
But calling them rejects is crazy.
couple of the show. You guys can hug, do whatever you wanna do, and then move away. Cause yeah, uthumthatho ubeka isandla ndoda. Awufila kanti awufilini kanti why are your feelings?
Uqala ngithage.
Also here. Why is everyone going there, chat?
Hey, wait. When I haven't jaha, guys.
Iphathi hake.
Yazi le ngoma ethi Shell? Okay. Hake kahle.
Akayazi loyo. Wambona kanjani? Awazi ingoma ethi Shell. Umuntu wesifazane obamba kahle. Wena uyamjaha so ufuna
ukujaha. Twa ngiyasho nje ukuthi yazi le ngoma ethi Shell.
Ugqoke ne-vest inside the white t-shirt. A white vest. Why are you going left? Hey. The last part of the show gets here. So let's go to the people and then let's unblindfold.
But how are they going to know that's their partner though? Because they're all in blindfolds. Joseph, this nigga didn't think it through, check. Because they can say, oh, I was the one that was with you. Because most of them, they didn't even ask names.
Show them who they choose, who did they choose, and then we see if they wanna be with them, and then connect with them. Let's go. Bam. They say December is for Limpopians, June is for Durbanians, July actually. But I'm saying I'm here in December. I'm with them. They're not having that fun. Like, they are not useless like you drinking alcohol. You don't even know why you're drinking that alcohol. You are giving someone money you've never even met.
This nigga is such a yapa.
Some other nigga there, bro, is sitting somewhere in Dubai. They in Zimbali. You are in there. Your guy you are buying alcohol from is in Dubai, chilling, smoking a cigar that cost the same price of your bottle. Hi guys. Hey, I'm sorry. Sometimes, we're in Zimbali. I just woke up in Zimbali. Yeah, so clap your hands for you guys for making it to the house.
There's only 4 niggas, chat, this time. Nah, there's not a lot on
Yeah, so my name is JosephDary. I'm back again. This is JosephDary Love Show. We didn't have the name actually. They just said Love Show, JosephDary, and we just go with that one. I guess we don't need literally I'm that guy, bro. We give it if we wake up and say the water show is going. It's me, come on. So guys, we did the blindfold, and then I wanna show you guys the person you guys picked, and then if you like to stay with the person, that when I tell you that it's the person you picked, if you wanna stay with the person, you stay with the person, then you are the couple of the house. If you don't want to stay with the person, you tell us why you don't want to stay with the person, right? Yeah. Okay. From the end, you guys didn't pick each other. Yeah, this is the one you kissed. This is the one you kissed. You said her mouth smells like a moba.
Bekungathudla umoba usisi.
Oh.
Manje kufanele yazi nginocabanga ngaye la ukuthi ngimnikeze izifundo ezincane.
When you look at her now, what do you feel?
Hey, ukhona yena.
Yeah.
Ukhona. Kodwa ke into yokuthosa usayidinga yona ngoba phela awushayi khona.
Okay. When how do you feel about him? That one.
Usevele wangithina off nje. Indlela asho ngayo ukuthi lapho mhlawumbe bengaqali nokuqala.
But looking at him, what does he look like? Does he look like something you can touch? Make use. useful something, yeah.
Maybe we can try.
Yeah. One in jail at least. Yeah. So you think you can try with him?
I can.
According to you. Wena?
Asaba sibone.
Ufuna ukubona. Okay, so go. You wanna see her ngisho?
Yeah.
Go stand next to her. So you guys move like that. Go.
Are you sure? Ngimbuzile ukuthi une-show yini.
Okay. Clap hands for the couple. Couple of the house. First couple of the house. So we name you guys number 1. Okay? Number 1, brother. This is the lady that you were with on the date.
Just ukhetha mina. Phela yoyiphelele intokazi mangiyibuka. Ya impela lebe ngiyifuna.
You are happy with the eyes?
Kakhulu kodwa nje akukhumbule bese ngimbona ibuka ukhipha ibuka ngibo. Hayi. What?
Well, now what do you like what you see?
Can I ask?
Yes.
What if ngishitsha umqondo? What if anginayo sho but
it's up to you that one. Do you like what you see?
Ngimlenze one in.
You are one
leg in. No, angishongo lutho. Umuhle right but.
Umuhle.
Yeah. He's handsome. He looks presentable.
Pella, I'm not from Haman's Kral. I can see a nice guy. Like,
no, Pella,
I can see a nice guy.
Wait, that's why no cheese boy.
You can't tell me your eyes doesn't see like mine.
Okay.
Okay, sharp.
Is Joseph trying to say this nigga's chopped?
I'll pendulanga mean.
When he didn't answer me.
You can't be inside and outside. It's either you're inside or outside. You are inside, ne? Okay. Okay. Clap hands for the car, boys. You go stand next to her. We move like.
You can say no, dog. My sister, you can say no and choose another option, I'm sure.
Fair. Yes, say.
Joseph has to allow them, because if he doesn't, that's not fair, dog.
Hey, let's say. Yes, say. Couple number 2. They are cooking, sister. You wanna see the guy you were with? Who do you think it is from these guys?
From the tree?
Yeah, from this tree.
Maybe this one?
Maybe this him.
Yeah.
You wanna like him?
Mhlambe lo. Yeah.
Apparently, unfortunately, on the comma of every entry, this is the guy you chose. This is the girl you chose.
Why is it laughing? Why are niggas laughing? Dog, you know, it's like in school, dog. When the teacher asks you a question, you answer. Then niggas laugh. It's like, damn, did I do anything wrong, or did I just say some crazy shit?
Bambi Mike, Pell, I'm not your mic guy.
Right, cool. Yeah, umama ngokwami usharp. Yeah.
This nigga's voice is deep. I can hear. Oh, it's deep.
Like to stay with her. If you're not yeah, sharp, muhle.
You wanna grab her again?
No, I just wanna confirm. Good lady.
Yeah. Bro, charge who you work at stairs. The more the nyash, the more the money you have to pay. Damn, bro.
I agree with Gareth, you hold. I can't lie to you. Oh. Yeah. So, what do you think about this guy? She's good. Let me stand here.
Okay. Inkinga enginayiyoda. Right?
It's short.
The time sisakhuluma laphaya uthe yena wafuna amantombazana athanda izinto.
Uthi uyawafuna.
Ungihambele phambili mina angisho ukuthi ngithanda izinto like a groove and stuff. Ngithe ngithanda izinto kuphela yena wangena kwi groove. Ngibe ngingekho lapho. No, ngifuna siyilungise leyo nto ukuthi bekuthatha indaba ye groove.
When you see that, because now you see what you are dealing with.
Bengakakuboni mama.
So when's like going to get tonight? Yeah. I must expect don't know.
Okay.
You still in one man. See me. I want you. So what I say? Are you in or out?
We can try.
Okay. Why not?
No.
You are in or out?
In.
Okay.
All of these girls are not sure.
Okay, let's move along. Move. Clap hands for them. Let's go. Which one do you think is the one? You already see. You can see. You okay, who? You already see. She had a whole feeling of a volcano.
Yeah, I think it's him.
You think it's him?
Yes.
When you look at him, does he look like the person you wanna appreciate your heart with?
Honestly,
Yes.
I don't think Uguti he has lama qualities lawa ngiwafunayo. Like I said.
Uthe ufuna six pack, mara uthe ukubamba umkhaba wathi eish.
But either way, I think he's a very nice guy. We had a good conversation. Just that Uguti.
Do you see my six
I
pack?
got
It's
only
inside,
preference.
It's inside. You can't see it. It's literally built in. It's a built-in six pack.
Oh, do you want me to see it?
A built-in iPhone.
Do you want me to see it?
Not now.
Okay.
Maybe after the show. I'm kidding. So you don't want him?
But I've always this nigga. This nigga's trying to show out. This nigga's trying to show. She's gonna say, oh, you got the six pack. Okay, give me the money. And it's like, bro, damn, bro, I work at stairs. So what we gonna do? Okay, you have the six pack, but you don't got the money, or you have the money, but it's not enough. So what's gonna happen? And I'm gonna go to the fat guy because the fat guy is fat, but he has money. It's a mess, chat.
No.
I was like, bro. Sis. Oh, what you look? Hey.
Nah, she's not. Nah. I said, nah, bro, it's already sweating. Nah, that's not. Nah.
What you look?
Cha phela indoda efanele idle ithukuthuku zayo yabo.
Yabo. Umjuluko le kumele ukhiphe ejimini. Ukhipha la mawothuki.
No, wade ngicanga ngiqale ngaqhuma phela yabo. Insizwa fanele iqale igqume phela yabo. Easily. Yabona leyo nto leyo.
Uthi akafuni umama. Nangu uthi.
No, i-choice yakhe phela yabo.
Yeah, i-choice
yakhe anginankinga nalokho. But ke ngibe nesikhathi esimnandi naye uxoxa naye. Ngiyambona nje into wazera.
Umtshelile ukuthi you own agriculture.
Yeah.
Do you know he owns agriculture?
Yes, I'm very much aware.
When I own YouTube, but like you can move. I'm sorry, my brother, sister. This is the guy. Clap hands. Apparently, they didn't talk. They just touched each other, and then they were feeling each other's muscles. They said they choose each other. Brother, here's your person. I don't know what you want to say, bro. Do you think it's a good pick?
Mama.
What to tell you 360?
Sicela ubungibu. Sicela uphenduke ngiyibone ke manje.
Nah, chat. Disclaimer, not all Zulu niggas are this freaky, chat. Okay, maybe in this show these niggas might want to dash. But not all of us are like this chain. These chains are too freaky. I don't know, man. Someone needs to talk to them, cause nah. Literally all of them, dog. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously the fat nigga can't, cause when he tries to, he might fall, which I understand. But nah, but disclaimer, we are not all like that.
Sengifuna ukuyibona phela. Penduka ma.
Wena penduka sokuvala me. You are not chosen.
Penduka. Shembe.
Bachuza abantu abangenamali
bona. Yekele
Ngihappy.
You can hire them. Chop.
I know, man, I'm happy.
Yeah,
I'm happy.
Yeah, my sister, are you happy with what you see? Mtshele phela ungatsheli mina ebani.
Happy kakhulu.
Yeah, that mic yakho phela. You have to speak on the mic. Are you happy with what you see?
Yes.
Do you want to stay with him?
Khulu.
What makes you think that?
Indoda yabona indlela akhuluma ngayo yenza ukuthi indoda le indoda.
He's literally soft, my sister. He's the softest guy in the house.
Ngeke phela kona abomfunile abangamthanda kwamanje yabo.
I see what you are cooking. Okay, be with each other. Let's clap hands for them. Move, baba. Move. And move. Ohlala lapha, my sister, wena bra wami uyangale. Because angisho is not your person. Yes.
God damn, bro.
Hey, so we are cooking, eh? Are we cooking? So you guys, these are the couples of the day and the night, eh? So you guys head now from here, ne? Yes. So you guys don't want each other, well? Hey. Thank you for pulling up and trying to find love. For now, we patched you guys based on how you guys like how you saw the person after the date. There's few rules in the house, eh? No noise. Be with your person. You are not here for the crowd. If you are here for a person, if you feel like you like a person and you're a man, don't be a pap nigga. We are not cooking pap here. It's not Limpopo. Be there. Go to the lady, but don't be making a lot of noise. We are in Zimbali. So I want you guys to enjoy, have fun. This show is for you guys, and then be by the show. So you guys can go to the rooms now. I will told you room. I'm going to the room. I'm going to show you what.
Chat, one the fit nigga. And I think this nigga Joseph has extra rooms. Because if he only has 5 rooms, that means the fat nigga and this lady has to sleep together. They have to sleep together, chat.
Oh my daughter.
Hi, Wayne.
Hey.
How?
Yeah, bro, nigga, bro, you haven't even lasted. Bro, he's already dashing someone's made. Bro, he's a demon.
Ngihamba sendaweni like nginomuntu ukuthi sithanda into efanayo like. Yabo manje ngithanda into efanayo like uthande izinto, nami ngithanda izinto. I-relationship yethu ayila. Yabo fanele futhi at the same time. Anginankinga mina nani office uthenzela. Ukula, udala. Yeah, futhi konke if you feel comfortable with that.
So Jim saying it.
Ay, angifuni ukudlala ngawe. Uyabona indlela eqabule ngayo. Ay, ngivele ngabona ukuthi kodwa nje
indlela kade ngimi ngayo it was not comfortable. And I wanted to feel you bengakufeel.
Mana ke phela
so I was starting then when I just ngisaqala and you just jump ukuthi
hayi kuyiphutha lokusho phela awudingi amehlo ukuze ungifile
no ngaphandle
izandla nje
nomzimba. I was touching you but I didn't feel you.
I just love a sweet guy. Very patient phela. Yabo man ungajahi.
Okay, ungichazela.
Patient, sweet, and understand ukuthi I'm shy. I mean I'm shy. One thing I don't know, but I'm very shy. Understand nalokho.
Yazi lo muntu ukhuluma ngayo ubani? Hawu, ngicabangela ke abantu.
I'm relaxed now. I'm calm.
My sister.
But that's just fuck.
Just have some privacy, you know.
Oh.
It's not the privacy. Ngitho now. Wait. Angitho na uthanda ukuthi okay ufuna ukuthi ube khona. Iphela lithathele private because wena awusiniki isikhathi.
Uzongidonsa kanje vele. Ngishela ukuthi ngiyahamba mina so that nizoba nesikhathi nobabili. Like here.
Let's boil back.
No.
My sister.
You can have 2 minutes with him.
No, wait.
I'm not gonna do this.
Mama, please.
Isithini lapha? La bantu baqala yakhumbula ngalesi sehleli ngalesi bake baxabana nje.
Bruv, why every season, last show, chat, the first season niggas started fighting for no goddamn reason. This time, this nigga thinks because he has a six-pack kills. I don't know. Bro thinks he can take everyone's maybe. Bro, Chacho, you work at stairs, bro. Let life sink in, bro.
Baby, singahlangana la. Baby, babayo. Baby, coach. Bibo. Hey, Bofan. Yenda. Man, let's do it. Man. Man, ya depan pun shower lo. Depan lo. Depan lo. Isa.
Oh nah, Stula is getting some good PR, Chad. Stula is getting some good PR in front of the girls.
Here when fan, here when. Let's part of when I'm next season. I win. Next season 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 I win.
Njengoba ngikhuluma nami uzokhuluma nami nomzokhuluma ngizobala ka-5 ngicela weqa No, where were you? Bona njalo.
Big man's got it like told y'all niggas. I told you Stula is getting good PR, chat. Stula has been getting some good PR. Look at him now. Love is flying in the air. But bro, okay, okay, damn, bro. Okay, this show has a lot of bombs, chat. There's so much nyash in this show, chat. Okay, let's be honest. And my boy got some good PR. Stula got some good PR, chat. And he deserves it. When is it? Now Joseph has to drop another one, chat. This was he has to drop another one, chat. Nah, Stula got some crazy PR, chat. Damn, this dude that has people. Let's not lie. Joseph is one of the greatest YouTubers in SA. Yes, that's true. That's true. He's one of the content creators of the Nyash on this season. Nasty Nyash. He listened to art at least 40 minutes. Finally, this gotta be he forgets about the subtitles. Not all of us understand Zulu. Nigga, we don't give a fuck if you don't understand Zulu. Nigga, am I the only one who's radioactive episode 2? The other cameraman, that nigga had a crazy bone at chat. I know that. But yeah, man, I'ma see y'all niggas. WV by Joseph.